Did you know that you can pull in the price of gold and silver right into your Google Sheets spreadsheet? With the help of Gemini, you can use the AI function to do that. Here in B1, I'm going to type in equals AI, and here I'm going to specify a prompt and then a range that I want to refer to. For my prompt, I'm going to put it in quotes just like you would as you're asking a chatbot a message. You're going to say, pull in the price of this in US dollars and specify when you retrieved it. And so I'm specifying to this, I'm not specifying exactly what I want just because I want this to reference also a range and be dynamic that I can copy it over. That's why I'm not specifying gold or silver. I'm just saying specify the price of this. And then for my range, I'm referencing A1. So it's going to know that for this query, it's looking at gold. And now I can copy this down just like I would a normal formula. And now it's going to do the same thing for silver. So that's why I didn't specify the exact metal that I wanted to pull the price for. And here you can see it tells me the price of gold, when I retrieved it at, and also the price of silver and when I retrieved it at. If you want to refresh the data, you can just click on that prompt, and there's this option to refresh and insert yet again. So if you want to update it at a later time or didn't pull it correctly, you can do that refresh and it'll update for you.